The dark U.S. plan for the International Court of Justice in The Hague. They can even arrest the judges of the International Court if they touch American citizens. There was a lot of discussion about the arrest warrant against Russian President Vladimir Putin issued by the International Court of Justice in The Hague. Yes, there's an arrest warrant out for Putin. The news dominated the news, but without clarifying that the specific warrant has no effect on Russian citizens and thus on the President, Vladimir Putin, just as none would apply to any American citizen. Typically, there would be danger for the Russian president if he visited a country that had recognized the jurisdiction of the International Court of Justice, the International Criminal Court. This, of course, does not seem likely in the near future, but the striking thing, unknown to the majority of those who enthusiastically cover the news of Putin's arrest warrant, is that if an American citizen is arrested on an ICC warrant, then the United States will even use force to arrest him and to release him. They may even arrest the judges of the ICC. This is because the United States is not a member of the ICC, the International Criminal Court. The law authorizes the President of the United States to use, quote, all necessary and appropriate means to effect the release of any U.S. or allied person detained or imprisoned by, on behalf of, or at the request of the International Criminal Court. The authorization led to the act being colloquially called the Hague Invasion Act, as the act allows the President to order U.S. military action, such as an invasion of The Hague, where the ICC is located, to protect U.S. officials and military personnel from persecution or rescuing them from custody. And we're talking about a crisis of global hypocrisy and propaganda here. And this is from Newsbreak. I've translated this for you from a Greek article. I didn't know that, so it's good to know this. Please leave your comments, and thank you for your support. Kindly support my Patreon account. The daily posts are 5 videos daily, and they are totally different from what I have on my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for your support, and that you find all my content so interesting. You'll find the Patreon account details in the description box